This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling an AirPlay receiver on the Firestick. This is the essential first step. Make sure the Fire TV already has AirPlay built in or install AirScreen, and connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open the receiver app on the Firestick and keep its pairing screen visible. You do this so your iPhone can discover the Firestick. Without the receiver running, screen mirroring will fail. Now move to your iPhone to start the actual connection. On your iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. This is where discovery happens. Once you select the Fire TV device name, the iPhone negotiates a connection. This can take a few seconds, so be patient. If the receiver app shows a numeric code, type that into iPhone to confirm the secure link. After pairing, your iPhone screen should appear on the TV. If you plan to play video, make sure the app allows external display and that orientation is set correctly. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or simply close the receiver app on the Firestick. That ends the session cleanly. If things go wrong, first restart both devices and verify they are on the same Wi-Fi subnet. This fixes most discovery issues. Also make sure the receiver app is in the foreground. For stutter or lag, try 5 GHz Wi-Fi, move the router closer, or reduce streaming quality. These changes improve responsiveness and solve common performance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.